Yes, dear students, chemistry 12th چھُ اَسہِ چلان آز surface chemistry. تہٕ أزیُک یُس ٹاپِک چھُ اَسہِ آز properties of colloidal solutions. Preparation of colloidal solutions پَرِ اَسہِ. وۄنۍ چھِ اَسہِ پَرنہِ properties. نمبر گۄڈٕ اکھ چھُ heterogeneous nature. Heterogeneous nature. بوٗزِو سا بیٹا, the colloidal solution are heterogeneous in nature, consisting of dispersed phase and dispersed medium. Colloidal solution یِم ٲسۍ یِم چھِ dispersed heterogeneous nature. Heterogeneous means visible boundary of separation. یعنی اَتہِ چھُ یِوان اَتھِ dispersed phase کُس چھُ dispersed medium. ییٚلہِ زَن solution منٛز چھُ آسان solute solvent. Whereas in case of colloidal solution منٛز چھُ آسان dispersed phase and dispersed medium. یعنی چھِ اَتہِ چھِ یِوان یِم dispersed particles تہٕ یِم چھِ یِوان اَتھِ to the naked eye. کھُلہٕ أچھ ہٮ۪کو سُہ تہِ وٕچھِتھ أسۍ. تَوَے چھِ وَنان أسۍ heterogeneous nature. But their heterogeneity can be demonstrated by using ultra microscope. یہِ ہٮ۪کو أسۍ وٕچھِتھ کَمہِ سۭتۍ الٹرا مایکروسکوپ ذٔریعہِ ہٮ۪کو وٕچھِتھ. مگر یِم چھِ ییٖژ آسان لۄکٕٹۍ لۄکٕٹۍ چھِ آسان یِم أچھِ سۭتۍ ہٮ۪کو نہٕ کھُلہٕ وٕچھِتھ کِہیٖنۍ. مگر بٹ دِ ہِٹروجینِٹی کین بی ڈِمانسٹریٹِڈ وِد ہیلپ آف این الٹرا مایکروسکوپ. آو سمجھ. تہٕ گوٚو ہِٹروجینس نیچر یُس colloidal solutions چھُ it is because of the size of the particles. مگر چوٗنٛکہِ since they have small sized particles, یِمن چھُ small size particle چھُ یِم چھِ باسان اَسہِ homogeneous same باسان یہِ. مگر یِژ پٲرۍ أسۍ when we test them in an ultra microscope there is clear heterogeneity. یعنی اَسہِ چھُ باسان اَسہِ dispersed phase الگ dispersed medium الگ. یہِ چھُ difference اکھ. دوٚیِم کیاہ چھُ بیٹا non setting nature. non setting nature یعنی یِم چھِنہٕ settle گژھان کِہیٖنۍ. The particles of colloidal solution are in a state of motion and do not settle to the bottom of the container. یہِ مےٚ ووٚن تۄہہِ already. یُس ہسا colloidal solution چھِ یِمن چھُ non setting nature. یعنی یِم اَتھ منٛز dispersed particles چھِ آسان suspended particles آسان یِم چھِنہٕ settle down گژھان کہِ they are in motion. they are in motion. آ روٗدا یاد ٹھیٖک چھُ. ترٛیٚیِم چھُ بیٹا filtrability. کیاہ وَنان چھِ filtrability. The colloidal particles can pass through ordinary filter papers. ٹھیٖک چھُ. Because of the large size of the pores of the filter paper. یُس ہسا یہِ colloidal solution سون چھِ یِم چھِ ordinary filter paper منٛز گژھان چھِ پاس تِکیازِ تِمن کٮ۪ن پورن سایز چھُ آسان تھوڑا بوٚڑٕے پہنس. They can not however pass through animal and vegetable membranes and ultra filter papers. تِمو منٛز چھِنہٕ ہٮ۪کان پٔکِتھ یِم پاس گٔژھِتھ کِہیٖنۍ تِکیازِ تَتہِ چھُ تِمن ہُنٛد سایز آف پور چھُ آسان واریاہ لۄکُٹ واریاہ لۄکُٹ. آوا سمجھ. گوٚو filtrability means یِم ہسا colloidal solution سٲنۍ چھِ یِم چھِ گژھان pass through ordinary filter papers because the pore size is bigger in case of ordinary filter papers. Whereas these colloidal solutions cannot pass through animal membrane or vegetable membranes or and ultra filter papers. Next is visibility. Colloidal particles are not visible to naked eye. These cannot sometimes be seen through an ordinary microscope. Colloidal particles چھِ لۄکُٹ size تہٕ مگر یِمنس ہٮ۪کو نہٕ أسۍ naked eye سۭتۍ وٕچھِتھ کِہیٖنۍ. ہیٚرِ تہِ کوٚر اَسہِ ڈِٹیل اَمِچ ذِکِر تہٕ مگر عام مایکروسکوپ ذٔریعہِ ہٮ۪کو نہٕ وٕچھِتھ کِہیٖنۍ. بٹ they can be detected with help of an ultra microscope. یِتھَے پٲٹھۍ کیاہ چھُ بیٹا بیٛاکھ property اکھ colloidal solutions are generally colored. کلر ہُنٛد کیاہ چھُ آسان. colloidal solutions are generally colored. Color depends upon the size of the particles. But interesting thing چھِ as well as shape. گوٚو colloidal solutions چھِ آسان colored and the color of the solution depends upon the size and shape of the dispersed particles. For example, اگر أسۍ بناوو colloidal solution of silver آسہِ تمیُک کلر کیاہ آسہِ ییٚلہِ زن امیُک particle diameter آسہِ 6 × 10⁻⁵ millimeters. گوٚو size of the particle کوتاہ چھُ کِنہٕ 6 × 10⁻⁵ millimeters of solution of silver چھُ colloidal solution. امیُک color is this color of this is orange yellow color. اگر أسۍ نِمو اَمکُے سِلورُک نِمو size is 15 × 10⁻⁻15 millimeter تیٚلہِ ہسا آسہِ تمیُک violet color. یہِ تہِ چھُ silver particles یِم چھِ silver particles مگر size چھُ different. Because of the difference in size they are different in colors. تَوَے ووٚن پٮ۪ٹھ کَنۍ اَسہِ colloidal solutions are generally colored. Color depends upon the size of the particle as well as the shape. For this demonstration, we can give the example of the silver. The colloidal solution of silver having size of the particle 6 into 10 to the power minus 5 millimeter is orange yellow. Whereas the colloidal solution containing silver having size of the particle 15 into 10 to the power minus 15 millimeter. Go difference in size of the particle. It is violet in color. It is violet in color. So it is the size which makes distinction in color. Next is beta brown in movement. Robert Brown दपा इत पे like pollen grains आबस मज suspended pakan और yor zigzag motions. Similarly dust particles या smoke particles हवास मज sunlight pass गसान तो तिमन zigzag path तुम strike करा तो with the result they follow a zigzag path. It's one brown Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect is back arm effect. Kun sa chama question brown and movements but alag short note marks and marks Tyndall effect to be. Tyndall effect should basically when a beam of light is passed through a true solution, no scattering of light takes place. However, when a beam of light is passed through a colloidal solution, scattering of light takes place. Because size of the particle asan yet but strike around splitting of light. Shati the Tyndall effect. Light takes place. Splitting of light takes place. Visibility of dust particles in semi-darkened room. This is थोड़ा एंगर दार कमरे पाते दार पुटा रोजान याल तथ सनलाइट तथ मज वुचान तुम डस्ट पार्टिकल्स और योर या स्मोक पार्टिकल्स और योर पकान. दैट इज Tyndall effect. गो ये क्लियर होते हैं. गो यम गए ऐसे प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द colloidal solutions. Properties of colloidal solutions. अम पे ब्या क्वेश्चन तथ वन coagulation. That's वन coagulation क्या coagulation of colloidal solutions. The phenomena of the precipitation of colloidal solution by the addition of the excess of an electrolyte is called coagulation. लिखिए लिखना बताइए coagulation क्या गई. Coagulation means it is defined as the phenomenon of precipitation of colloidal solution is precipitated when by the addition of an electrolyte, excess of an electrolyte. Go ekis colloidal solution is electrolyte travan ch patat precipitate bana. We know that small amount of electrolyte suge coagulation it is precipitate bana. Small amount of an electrolyte is necessary for the stability of the colloidal solution. The ions of the electrolyte are adsorbed on solid particles and impart them some change whether positive or negative. The charged particles repel one another and are prevented from coming close enough to coagulate coalesce into bigger particles. However, in the presence of a large excess of the electrolyte, the charge on the particles of the dispersed phase gets neutralized, and as a result, they come closer, grow in size, and precipitate. This is called coagulation.